Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the Gemini text to speech API in JavaScript using Node.js. So first of all, open up a folder in Visual Studio Code and initialize a npm project. So open up the terminal and just type npm init and just keep on pressing enter, and at the end, is this okay, just type in yes, or you can just press enter. Then you can see a package.json file is created, and if we download any dependencies, those dependencies will be shown in this file. Now go to Google and go to Google AI Studio, and there you need a API key. So make sure you have created a cloud project, Google Cloud project, and then when you click on create API key, your Google Cloud project shows up, and then you have to select that Google Cloud project, and then it generates an API key. So I have already created one, Gemini test 2025. So this is the API key, and when you click on documentation here, you go to this page, Google AI for developers, and then model capabilities, you have to go to speech generation. So this is still a preview feature, it's not fully released yet. So here you go to single speaker text to speech, and instead default is on Python. We did that in the previous video. Now go to JavaScript and you can see the code, and just copy this code. And what you have to do is, in Visual Studio Code, create a new file called as index.js, because in package.json our main file is index.js, and just paste this code here. And instead of import, use const and require, because we are using require because in package.json we can see that type is common.js. So if it was module, then we can use import. Here also const vav equals to require vav. Now these are the two dependencies we need, which is at the rate Google / GenAI and vav, and we need a API key. So here const AI equals to new Google GenAI. Here API key would be pasted. So we'll go to Google AI Studio, and here we can see the API key. Just copy it and paste it here, and now you can see the response. The model here is Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. TTS means text to speech, and now it's showing the content. What should we say? So it should cheerfully say have a wonderful day, and the voice name is Core. So first we will install these two libraries. So click on new terminal and just type in npm I @google / GenAI and vav. So this will take a little bit of time to install. Yeah, now they are installed, and when you go to package.json, you can see there are two dependencies. Now to run this file, open up the terminal again and just type in node index.js. okay, it's throwing an error that await is only valid in async functions and top level bodies of modules. Okay, which async await main, async function main. If we just run it again and we just debug it with Google GitHub Copilot, which is integrated in Visual Studio Code. Okay, wait a minute, we'll just copy this syntax error, and we'll open up the Google Copilot chat, and the context is index.js, and we'll just type in fix this error. Okay, so yeah, we'll just do this and it will apply the changes. So this is the changes we needed, and we'll just run it again, node index.js. Now you can see out.vav file is generated. If we run this,
have a wonderful day.
So you can hear,
have a wonderful day.
So it's saying have a wonderful day. Now the voice name is currently Core. We can change the voice names. There are different voice names available. We saw that in the last video. So you can see these are the different voice names. So right now we are using Core. these are like 30 voice options, and there are also different supported languages. Now we used core, now let's use let's use puck. We'll just copy this, and instead of core, just puck, and I'll run this again, node index.js. Okay, now that file gets replaced.
Have a wonderful day.
So you can see that voice was firm and this voice is upbeat, like it's both the voices are different. We were using this core, now we are using this puck. And you can do like there is also a pro model which is more enhanced, so you can use that if you have a premium subscription, but I don't have the premium subscription, so right now I'm using the Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. And there is also like a prompt getting converted to audio, and then also there is multi-speaker text to speech, so you can use it for various applications. Right now we did single speaker text to speech. So this is how you do speech generation using the Google Gemini API in JavaScript with the help of Node.js. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like such kind of content, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.